Hello to all, this is Kethi here from Signify Properties, and guess where we are today? We are at Panvel with a most luxurious township for you. We're going to portray everything, all the amenities, the flat sizes. We have got 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments here with all the luxurious things which you ever had dreamt of. And so let's get on into the video. We are at the podium of this beautiful project, and come on, let's go and have a look at some of the amenities here like infinity pool, kids playing area, and not only that much, Costco fittings wala gym, and a workstation for the people who are really workaholic, and a lot more. Completely equipped air-conditioned gym just for you. This tower is an OC receive tower, and yes, you can see people are already here working out, and this gym is already functional. Now it's turn for an infinity pool. वो आपके सामने रहा क्रिकेट नेट पिच एरिया. We are at a lawn tennis court. A space for your family functions and occasions. Finally, literally tired looking at all the amenities. Now we are here. We are going upstairs to the actual flat. We're going to portray a 2 BHK and a 3 BHK flat to you. Finally, your wait comes to an end. We are here at a 3 BHK flat, and this is a ready to move in property. The township has all G plus 27 and G plus 40 story towers. We have got 3 types of views. So one is this view, which is a completely rural facing view. The second one which we have is highway facing. You can see the flat, which is very comfortable, L-shaped living room, very spacious. Here we have got some storage area, and coming to your height of the apartment, this is 9.5 feet of height on your inch tape also. So a very spacious double granite platform kitchen, completely equipped with your hindware chimney. We are also going to provide you a hob here. Tiling which we have provided is almost full size, full height, and yes, this is a nice connecting balcony area here. You can see the size of the balcony also. Perfectly have seen the kitchen size, and now we enter to this common bedroom, and this is your spacious common bedroom. The total size of the usable carpet area of this apartment is 200 square feet of usable carpet area with a nice view from your balcony. This is your powder washroom. Even we have given you this storage space again here. आपका सामान घर पे कितना भी हो, आपको स्टोरेज के लिए बहुत मोर देन इनफ जगह देने का हमने प्रबंध किया है यहाँ पे भी हमने आपको दी है प्रॉपर टाइलिंग, फ्लोरिंग, दरवाजे आप जो देख रहे हो, wherever we have used the door, we have used it teak wood doors. The height of the frame is almost 8 feet के आसपास. Fittings आप देख रहे हो, we have used Russell Khaima, a brand from UAE. And here we are going to enter your second bedroom. This is your master bedroom again. Last but not the least, this is a room for you. A nice wooden flooring वाला master bedroom. इस सब के साथ आपको हर एक घर के मेन वॉल पे मिलने वाला है एक अच्छा सा वॉलपेपर भी. And this is a view from your balcony. This was our 3 BHK apartment, and now let's get on into the 2 BHK apartment. Starting with a 2 BHK room tour, for which we have got the size. This particular variant is about 830 square feet of usable carpet area. And here you have got a nice highway facing view from this 2 BHK apartment. As I told you, we are also going to provide you the wallpapers of your choice. So this is one of the customized wallpapers by your client, and this is a nice L-shaped living room. Coming inside the apartment, a nice spacious kitchen has been given here. We also have got a dry area, double-sided granite platforms, and tiling also is been provided. This is a view of highway. This is Palace Bay Junction. Coming here inside the apartment, this is a 2-bed apartment, and this is your common bedroom. Room sizes are approximately 10 by 11. People may feel they have got no space for storage. These are some of the extra spaces which we can even include for your storage area. Coming to a nice cozy master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. Beneath here, we have got a storage space. Beneath your niche area, this is your flower bed, but this is quite big, and we can even extend that. This is a nice, cozy, warm, compact, but not that less in size. The size is 10.5 by 11.3 for this master bedroom. This is a powder washroom, and this one is your master bedroom's washroom attached to it. This is your corridor area here and a nice big size living room. So this was a tour for your 2 BHK apartment. Finally, we have done our room tour of 2 and 3 BHK apartments, which are really good in their sizes. Now we are going to talk about the completion status of the property and the external things too. So property status is ready to move in. Even you're going to get an under construction tower in this township. So both of the options are available with us. We have got 3 phases here. One phase is almost ready to move in. We have also started giving the possessions for the same. The second phase has been completing in within a year's time, and the third phase is completely under construction one. So if you are an investor, do let us know. We can even give you a nice pricing for a third phase. If not, if you want to directly grab the key and just move in into the apartment, then the same is also available. Not only that much, we have got a lot of amenities, lot of things here to explore. This location, if we talk about the location, it's a very prime location. This is at Palaspay Junction at Panvel. If you are a property buyer currently at Panvel location, then this may be a best property for you. I personally can get you some rate discounts if you get in touch with us. Then definitely Signify is going to give you some of the rate discounts into this property survey. After that, if you see the exact distance, if we talk about, this is just opposite to your DMart. This is just 7 minutes on a vehicle distance from Panvel railway station. This is connected to your JNPT highway, even your Pune expressway. Airport is just a 5 minutes distance from here. Navi Mumbai International Airport, we're going to start here. Definitely people must be knowing about it. Yeah, if you want to even get a more bigger flat here, we also have Jodi options available. If you want to really grab this opportunity on, do let me know in the comment section below. And we are ending this property tour here for today, and I am going to meet you in the next video of Signify Properties with a new property again. More premium, more luxurious with a new location again.